Electoral College confirmed Joe Biden presidential victory. UN chief calls on member states to help address the severe economic crisis in Yemen. The United Nations Security Council has voiced concern over military escalation and food insecurity in Yemen. Turkey denounces Washington's decision to impose sanctions on Istanbul. In Russia, 11 people were killed in a fire that broke out overnight in a home in central Russia. In Afghanistan, Deputy Governor of Kabul was killed in a bomb attack on Tuesday. In India, over 30% women are victims of the domestic violence. In Pakistan, President Dr. Arif Alvi today approved Anti-Rape Ordinance 2020.